Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by loading the dataset you'll search. Open CMF2 Pro and pick the map layer that contains your targets. Next, select the Circle Search tool and either click the map to set the center or type precise coordinates. Once done, enter the radius in meters and choose whether it's an inner or buffer-only search. Make sure to set the spatial reference to match your layer so distances are accurate, and enable snapping if you need exact placement. Now refine the search. Activate the spatial index to speed the circle query and prevent timeouts on large datasets. Apply attribute filters, date ranges, object types, status fields, so you return only relevant hits. Once set, run the preview to inspect matches visually. If results spill over or miss expected items, adjust center or radius and rerun. Also test buffer modes and intersection rules, because circle inclusion versus finish by exporting the selected features to the format you need: CSV for tables, GeoJSON for spatial exchange, or save as a native layer. Save the circle parameters as a preset so you can rerun identical searches quickly. You can also script the query for batch runs. If you get no results, verify coordinate reference systems match, confirm radius units, and ensure the layer is visible and queried. If performance stalls, reduce complexity or increase spatial index granularity to resolve slowdowns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.